this is my personal recipe I like to use when I make quiche, and I wanted to share it with you. So I have here 1 package of bacon that I cooked up. I don't use all of it, but a good portion of it. Then this is hash browns. It's the kind that you just that are dehydrated, that you can buy at Sam's Club, and then you hydrate with the water. And this is eggs with half and half, and salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. I did 9 eggs. Typically I do 8. They were a little small today. And then I did 3/4 cup of half and half, and just about, I'd say roughly a teaspoon or so of salt, pepper, onion, garlic. And then this is 1 package of sausage, just Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage, that I cooked up in a pan. And I do cheese. I typically use like a cheddar blend, but we only have mozzarella right now, but pretty much any cheese will work. They came out of the pan perfectly because we sprayed it really good with a non-stick spray. And just to show you what they look like on the inside, here we go. As you can see, the layer of the hash brown, the bacon, and the sausage, and the cheese on top, and they are so good. Enjoy!